Who do you want to start? Yeah.
So this is my poster. It's about environmental system. Yeah. And what my concept here is that there's drops coming from the sky with the Earth's reflection in it. And it's like drops of it, meaning like there's like water is scarce and it's important to the earth. And like not only should we like take care of it, we should like look at it as an important thing.
Cool. So again, he's talking about water conservation, water, and the importance to the planet. Comments, feedback?
I like it though.
Sorry?
I can understand. If there's no...
You can understand it, that's fine, but let's see if we can give him feedback. So how could you make it better? How can you make it better? What don't you understand?
Maybe there should be more.
Sorry?
Maybe there should be more drop.
You think maybe more drops would make his concept clearer?
Yeah, it would be more clear for people.
Would look more like water, you mean?
Yeah,
Like water?
distort.
You think what?
It'll distort the idea.
You think it'll distort the idea more, or it'll just okay?
Or you can just have a simple style script and I'll just like get the idea.
So you think, I agree, you think it needs some sort of statement there? It needs something that says something about water? Water is life, or something simple like that? Any other comments?
I like how the water splash out of that circle thing, showing a bit more.
Sorry, you like what?
Look at the screen.
Okay.
Just like water splashing out.
It's actually a bit harder, it's hard to see on here. Why the circle? It's hard to see with this light, but there's like a sort of a circle around it. Danny,
It's like I'm like
is that better?
like represent the earth, like the circle-ish.
Represents the earth. You guys get that? I'm not sure you really see, it's hard to see it, but I'm not sure that circle necessarily represents the earth. But what I really like, and it's hard for you guys to see, is this part over here, where you actually see splashes. I think that's quite important, because otherwise you just see these sort of shapes. It just looks like, it doesn't necessarily have to be water, it could just be like wax or something like that has the earth in it. Other feedback?
So you said like the circle represents the earth.
That's what Danny's saying, yeah.
But then I don't think people would think that's the earth
Where is
or something.
Right away, yeah, and plus it's kind of confusing anyway, because if you have the earth and the water drops and then a circle that it goes into representing the earth, you know, does that make sense or not? I mean, I don't know. But no other constructive feedback? Anything else you think would make me ask questions?
I'm not sure if I remember correctly. Maybe just focus on one drop and into the splashing drop. And then have a statement. I think that's what's
I agree. I think you need some sort of statement. I actually agree with Vespasi. I think rather than put more and more drops like Lydia was suggesting, I would have one, or just have one and maybe two more, but then I would make the back ones blurry so that there's a focus is on one drop. Because it also doesn't make sense. There's one Earth, and that's kind of what you want to say. You know what I mean? And if you have a lot of these other drops, like I would almost have one drop, and if you want to have the other drops, then don't have the Earth in all of them. You know what I mean? You can have one with the earth and then have the other one just be water drops. But having the earth in all of them kind of, I think, takes away from your concept. Do you guys agree? And some sort of statement, yeah. Yeah?
I think if we change the background, it can be
You think change the background? I don't know. You can try that. I like the black. But you can always try out other stuff. That stuff should be in your process journal, and you try a white background, see how it looks like, try a blue, try it. I think black is probably okay, but just make sure that you focus on one drop and have some sort of statement. Because the idea, I mean, it's kind of a cool graphic, the drop with the thing. I mean, that's quite good. And you end up cheapening it by putting a lot of them there. You know what I mean? Cool.